Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. Have you ever tried to edit your Word document only to see a frustrating message saying, you can't make this change because the selection is locked? This often happens when the author has locked editing or marked the document as final, and in this circumstance, you may see a marked as final message displayed above the document. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock word editing or viewing restrictions. The first method to fix it is by continuing editing. You can simply click the Edit Anyway button to modify the document immediately, or you can disable the setting permanently by going to the File menu, clicking Info, selecting Protect Document, and then clicking on Mark as Final in the drop-down menu to unlock the selection. Another reason this message might appear is if the document has been restricted for editing, which you can solve by first enabling the Developer tab. Go to File, click Options at the bottom, select Customize Ribbon, and check the box for the Developer tab before clicking OK. Once that is set, go to the Developer tab, click Restrict Editing, and in the pane that appears, click the Stop Protection button to unlock your selection. Now, Method 2 is the use of PassFab for Word. If your Word document is password protected, or you aren't sure why the selection is locked in the first place, the most reliable solution is to use PassFab for Word. This program is designed to remove Word file password protection for both open and editing restriction passwords. When you open it, you'll see this simple interface. There's two options. One is to recover Word document open restriction password, and the second is to recover editing restriction password. Choose the type of password restriction on the Word file, proceed, and you'll arrive here. Select a password decryption option from the three options. Dictionary attack is the most convenient option to begin with if you don't know or remember anything about the password. The second option is brute force with mask attack. The third option is useful if you know nothing about the password, but it's going to take more time looking through every possible combination of characters to decipher the password. If you remember anything about the password, like the character length or combination and so on, you can select the brute force with mask option and customize accordingly. Click on Start, and PassFab for Word will begin the process of recovering the password. It uses advanced algorithms to quickly try out several character combinations, but it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the complexity of the password on the Word file. Once it has finished successfully, it will display a confirmation message and the recovered password. You can then copy this password and use it to open your Word file. As you can see, you can now edit, copy, and format everything in the Word document as if it was never password protected in the first place. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.